What's up? Welcome to the Davis Ranch. So today we're going to try something fun. We are going to remove Lily's tooth with my Mavic drone. So we're going to attach some string to it, get the drone up in the air, see if we can pull it out. Okay, so what we're thinking is we're going to take some fishing string with a swivel on it and tie it to the bottom of the Mavic. And then on Lily's side here, we're going to tie the floss around the tooth and make a loop on the other end. Get the Mavic up hovering, attach the two, and then send it up. We'll see how it works.
Okay, here on the side.
Should I push start? Oh, it's going.
Yeah, you can go ahead and leave it on.
Okay.
Okay.
Go slow,
Okay, I'll go slow. We have tooth removal in 3, 2, 1.
There it goes!
3, 2, 1. Tooth removal in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's show the reward. Let's see your tooth. There we go. Mavic 1, tooth 0.
My face looks weird.
Yours does?
Yeah, look. Oh.